How to fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off. So let us begin. There can be many reasons why this error occurs. Some of that might be because the Wi-Fi connection itself is really weak. If Wi-Fi is really weak and not in the correct range, you might face this problem. So you might want to try moving yourself near to your router so you can get a strong connection. If that does not work, you can simply head over to your settings and to your Wi-Fi and simply forget this network and reconnect to it. If that works, great. If that does not work, simply head over to your settings, go to your general, go to your software update and check for software updates, because sometimes there might be bugs in your system and your devices might be the problem. That is, your software might be the problem for your Wi-Fi connection. So simply update to latest iPhone software, and after you do so, your problem should get fixed. Now if even that does not fix your problem, head over to your settings again, go to general again and scroll down all the way. You will see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset, and there you will see reset network settings. Tap on reset network settings and reset all of your network settings. After you do that, your iPhone will restart and your problem will get fixed. And that is basically it guys. That is how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more.